وصلنا إلى السفاري اللي في المدينة. Hello. 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 The weird looking food. هذا اللي يغني I like to move it move it. جلسنا في الباص. هذا شكل الباص من الداخل.
Good day, folks. Welcome to Wild Animal Safari. I got a few. The next thing is, how do we feed animals? You take this pellet here that you got, you stick it between your fingers like that. And that's also called a slobber guard. Because these animals are going to come up to the bus, and they're going to come up there and they're just going to be napping all over the place. They're wanting that pellet. So don't be afraid to stick this, when you got it between your fingers, don't be afraid to stick it right up to their lips. Just get your hands right up there and get that slobber on you, you know. It'll run down off your fingers after a while, instead of running down to your armpits. Makes good skin conditioner, ladies. I've used it for years. I haven't hardly got any wrinkles. Right off the start, we got our miniature horses.
Not to feed them, right? With hands. Not to feed them?
Oh, no, you're supposed to feed them with the palm of your hand or they're gonna eat your fingers.
You do it when you're out in it.
More.
Oh, shit.
Cute. He knows we're here.
This first camel coming up is Club Little Clyde.
جمل بوزين.
Club Little Clyde coming down the left side.
حطوا أغراضكم. ياخذ الأشياء. يقول
Come here, Clyde.
How can I do it? Oh, how can I do it to her? Maybe open your mouth and I'll throw it. Oh.
This one with the horns right here, this is an eland.
Eland?
They grow their horns.
I'll just throw it to you. Take it, I guess. Yeah, sure. Oi.
You clean it.
Is that how you clean? دعني مسحت على هذا.
All right, folks, that tan animal right there with the horns on it, kind of go straight back. That is an eland.
يبغى الكيسة هو تقول لا.
Hide your bag, guys.
Hide your bag!
Yeah, hide your bag.
Oh, hide it. I'm going to show it's not cool. أخذ علبة ثانية. هذا أفريقي وهذا نوع ثاني من الأنواع. كيوت. هذه كأنها اللي كانت مع سيمبا.
هل شاهدتم ذئبا في البرار يأكل أخاه؟ هل شاهدتم يوما كلبا عض يدا ترعى؟ هل شاهدتم
شوف الجمال هناك. He's waiting. He knows we're coming. I know. يقولون لا ما نبي. Oh, you're good. That was good. That was good.
Down the right side.
Este es el que se graba.
Watch your feet back.
ما تقدر.
Folks on the right side.
مسكين عنده. Is there a mark? Is there a mark? Yeah.
Very crowded captivity. They lose their antlers twice a year.
Can you smile?
Coming up here are Sicilian donkeys. 5% of their weight, their average weight.
Oh, beautiful.
There, your hands up in the air, you go yee-haw all the way down. You ready?
All the way down. Wait.
1, 2, 3. Look up here along the fence there on the right. You'll see a couple of our Vietnamese pot-belly pigs.
Break it free!
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god! That's so pretty. You're so sad. انحاشوا من في عندهم جسد هذا.
There's one of our many Indians. Through there, the front one there in the lead there has got the biggest set of horns. You can actually see the blood vessels in his horns.
Wow.
They're coming.
But don't grab a hold of them. They can be very quick and hurt you.
They want food.
Are you gonna bite?
His punches.
They're just miniature.
Oh my goodness, he's smiling.
So funny.
Put pigs up here on the right.
He's racing.
Look at her. I know. When is he gonna stop? Okay, now they stop.
Plus, if you don't up your mouths, what you pick up and move like a buck.
Oh. This is Tom. So dirty. You're the one touching it.
It's so hard. This thing, you can wash your clothes, like the iron thing.
You're getting spit on. I want to touch him, but it's kind of scary. You don't want to touch him at the same time? I know. Like, I don't want to touch him.
Oh, I touched it. Is it like, oh my god, oh my goodness, interesting. Open it, open it. Yes. خلصنا من رحلة الباص والحين في جهة مشي.
مرة كانت ممتعة. من جد أحب الحيوانات. لكأنه ميت. Hello. Yeah. Okay, let me try. Feed her this one.
I'm gonna go here.
Hey. My turn. You have to take this one. Ooh. Take. What's wrong? Take it. Yes, you did it.
At the middle of this lake.
Okay.
Hold on.
I know. We need to take
He
him.
looks disgusted. Oh yeah.
Now you want it, huh? Okay. وكذا خلصنا رحلتنا الحمد لله. منيرة هي اللي ساقت فينا. Thank you منيرة. تمام الحمد لله وصلت إلى بيتي. وطبعا اليوم الرحلة مرة كانت جميلة، انبسطت فيها كثير الحمد لله. أحلى شيء صار لنا لما رحنا مطعم في مدينة كذا بين السفاري ومدينتي، مدينة صغيرونة كلها يعني الأغلبية يعني أمريكان بيض، يعني ما فيها diversity أو ما فيها أنواع شخصيات ثانية أو أعراق، اي ما فيها اعراق ثانيه. كنا الوحيدين اللي الواننا غير عن الثانيين، يعني مو من البيض الاوروبيين. المهم فوحنا جالسين جانا عقب ما خلصنا جانا مدير المطعم قال سمعت انكم انتم اول مره تجون في هالمطعم واول ما جايين مدينه برا، فحبيت اعطيكم الكوكيز هذولي. اعطانا مجموعه كوكيز خاصه في المطعم حقه عرفتوا، فاعطانا مجموعة الكوكيز هذا عشان الطريق حتى وحنا ماشيين، فكانت شغلة جدا احترمتها فيهم وحبيتها. المهم فاقول لكم انه حبيت التجربة هذه وحسيت ان الشيء اللي سواه جدا لطيف، حببني في مدينتهم اكثر واثبت لي ان الناس دائما وين ما رحت وين ما سافرت دائما الخير هو الغالب. وبس يعني هذه كانت حاجة حلوة احب ادونها واتذكرها على طول باذن الله. مو بس هذه يعني في اشياء كثيرة صارت الحمد لله بالرحلة كانت حلوة، يعني من هاي من ابتسامات من ترحيب، بعدين احنا اشكالنا يعني غير عنهم عرفتوا. اقول لكم مع السلامة والله يسعدكم وين ما كنتم، والى لقاء في فيديو اخر باذن الله، ومع السلامة.